Hello everyone, welcome to Pambatha Kamancinza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kumkhokha the cast next week kusukela ngomsombuluko mhla 10 February kuya ngolesihlanu mhla 14 February. Ngomsombuluko mhla 10 February, uGabisile final frees herself from all the secrets she's been harboring. The Mthembus are shocked by the results of the autopsy, and Mamzobe and Mazungu share a piece of information with Mapalala that leaves him take aback. Ngolwesibili mhla 11 February 2025, uGabisile confesses about what Mamzobe made her do. Ulwazi stands up for Gabisile. Mamzobe is ready to make a run for it to avoid punishment. Ngolwesithathu mhla 12 February 2025, the Mthembus family faces a shocking revelation that will change their lives forever. Gabisile's world crumbles as her darkest secret is exposed. And in the shade, the prophet foresees a catastrophic destiny unfolding. Ngolwesine mhla 13 February 2025, the Mthembus world is turned upside down while Mamzobe and Gabisile battle with their past and a husband does the unthinkable. Ngolesihlanu mhla 14 February 2025, Mthembus appears to Mabuzu with a warning regarding the search for Mzobe's body. uGabisile, weighed down by guilt, questioning her place in the family, while a fiery confrontation between Mazungu and Mamzobe erupts. Ngiyayibamba lapho, ungakhohlwa ukucindezela notification bell nokusubscribe noma ushiye umbono wakho. Bye.